comes up from the scoring table. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match number 2. Starting out strong, 1678, stacking up 2, stacking up 3. Let's see if they can drop it off. And they do. Blue goes up early with that autonomous stack. Maybe our real-time scorers will catch up. Whole lot of nothing going on right now. Robots trying to pick up cans, pick up totes. 1678 looks like they have a stack ready to go. They are really fast. That's what helped them win that world championship. The Illuminators trying to put that green can up on a 3-stack, and they fall a bit short, but we'll see if they can try again. 1678, meanwhile, putting up a second stack. 1983, almost knocking over their partner's stack. They need to watch out for that. No bueno. 115 has a stack of 6. They're trying to go put it down, running into another stack. A lot of that going on this year. Stacks falling over. 973. 1678 going to pick up that last container. Let's see if they can do something with it. Meanwhile, on the red side, we have a stack of 3 and a stack of 2. 1 with container. That's worth 24 points. That's a bold strategy. We'll see how it works out for him. Skunkworks. They've got a stack of 5. Let's see if they can do
Get to the chopper!
20 seconds left in this match. Skunkworks has a full stack of 6. That is worth some amount of points that I do not remember. 1678, trying to get that last can. I'm not sure they're going to be able to do it, but Blue has a pretty commanding lead. That's the end of the match. We'll have the scores for you in just a moment. Hello. Okay. We have the scores from that last match going up with a final score of 176 to 36. It's the Blue Alliance.
All right, Evan, tell us a little bit about what the Red Alliance was doing in that match. It looked a little bit different from what we'll normally see at an event.
Yeah, it looked a little haphazard, but the strategy that they were going for is a lot of small stacks and using as many of the cans as they can. We've got 6 cans that start on the field, plus an additional 2 that you can grab in autonomous. So that's potentially 8 cans that you can use. It didn't quite work out. They weren't able to execute probably as well as they were expecting. But I think we'll see a lot more of that strategy as the day progresses, as teams figure out that maybe if they use more of the cans, they'll be able to more effectively utilize their alliance partners.
Yeah, actually, if you look at the overlay here, Evan, could you just give us a little info on what CER is?
Yeah, so CER is the can efficiency ratio. This is basically how effectively you're using each can that you score. So the higher the percentage, the closer you are to maximum point value for all of the cans that you've used. So you'll see the CER is fairly low on the Red Alliance. That's because they're not putting them on tall stacks. Whereas on the Blue Alliance, you've got a high CER. That means that they're getting maximum value out of all of their cans.
Yeah. I'd like to say about the Blue Alliance, we saw 1678 using their standard, low stack strategy. They did have one stack fall over as they were loading it, which is a little abnormal for them. Normally they're dead nuts accurate, but as we know, it's the first match of a new event. Nobody's necessarily played for a while. We've all had a summer off, so you got to break a little rust before you can get going.
I want to highlight 115 MVRT.
Yeah.
They were a little bit of in the background there. They dropped one can, so they were only scoring totes, but they looked really good out of the landfill.
Yeah. They definitely have improved a lot since their performance earlier in the season. Also, if you look at our overlay, you'll see all those pretty stacks in their cans and noodles to give you an idea of what actually happened during that last match. So, enough about match number 2. Let's move on to match number 3 coming up. 18